In 2023, many people continue to strive for a healthy and fit lifestyle. A common goal among individuals is to achieve a slim and toned physique. While there is no one-size-fits-all solution for weight loss, a combination of regular exercise and a healthy diet can help you reach your desired body shape. Here are some tips to help you make slim with exercise and dieting in 2023. Exercise. Regular exercise is essential for achieving a slim physique. It not only helps you burn calories but also helps tone your muscles, increase your metabolism, and improve your overall health. Here are some exercises you can try. 1. Cardiovascular exercises. Cardiovascular exercises are great for burning calories and improving your cardiovascular health. Running, swimming, cycling, and brisk walking are some examples of cardiovascular exercises you can try. 1. Strength training. Strength training involves using weights or resistance bands to tone and strengthen your muscles. Squats, lunges, and push-ups are some of the exercises you can try to tone your legs, glutes, and upper body. 1. HIIT. High-intensity interval training, HIIT, involves short bursts of high-intensity exercises followed by periods of rest. HIIT has been found to be effective for burning calories and improving overall fitness. 1. Yoga. Yoga is a great way to improve flexibility, strength, and overall well-being. It can also help you relax and reduce stress, which can lead to better eating habits and weight loss. Diet. In addition to exercise, a healthy diet is essential for weight loss. Here are some tips for a healthy diet. 1. Eat more protein. Protein is an essential nutrient that can help you feel full and satisfied. Include protein-rich foods such as lean meats, fish, eggs, and beans in your diet. 1. Choose healthy fats. Healthy fats such as olive oil, nuts, and avocado can help you feel full and satisfied. Avoid saturated and trans fats, which can increase the risk of heart disease and other health problems. 1. Eat more fiber. Fiber can help you feel full and satisfied, which can prevent overeating. Whole grains, fruits, and vegetables are great sources of fiber. 1. Avoid sugary and processed foods. Sugary and processed foods can lead to weight gain and other health problems. Avoid sugary drinks, candy, and processed snacks. 1. Drink plenty of water. Drinking plenty of water can help you stay hydrated and can also help you feel full and satisfied. Aim for at least 8 to 10 glasses of water per day. Combining exercise and diet. While exercise and diet are both essential for weight loss, combining the two can lead to even greater results. Here are some tips for combining exercise and diet. 1. Create a meal plan. Creating a meal plan can help you make healthier food choices and can also help you stick to your diet. Include plenty of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats in your meal plan. 1. Keep track of your calories. Keeping track of your calories can help you stay on track with your diet. Use a food diary or a calorie tracking app to monitor your daily caloric intake. 1. Combine cardio and strength training. Combining cardiovascular exercises and strength training can help you burn calories and tone your muscles. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity cardio per week and 2 to 3 days of strength training. 1. Stay consistent. Consistency is key when it comes to exercise and diet. Make exercise and healthy eating a regular part of your routine, and stick to it even when you feel unmotivated. In conclusion, making slim with exercise and dieting in 2023 requires a combination of regular exercise and a healthy diet. Cardiovascular exercises, strength training.